This is the 10th testing video for my NEA on generating and solving mazes. This video will cover tests 76 through to 89, which all centre around the solving menu. Navigating to the solving menu now by way of generating a new maze. Pressing the solve button, we will be doing most of our tests with the random mouse solving feature, as this is the slowest form of solving a maze, so it gives us enough time to conduct the tests. Beginning then with test number 76, does the escape button on the solve screen lead back to the generated menu screen with any indication of the ongoing solving having been removed? Pressing the escape button. Test number 76 is a success. Test number 77. Does the A button on the solve screen decrease the variable speed by 1? To start with, we shall significantly increase the variable speed. We can see to the left the rate at which the maze solution is progressing. We now press the A button, and we should notice that speed is slowing down as desired. Test number 77 is a success. Test number 78, in a similar vein, pressing the A key, once again turning up the speed. Pressing the A key, we'll see the solving of the maze decrease rapidly, thereby making test number 78 a success. Test number 79 is a boundary test, which requires us to press the A button whilst the speed is set to its minimum value of 0. We'd expect to see it wrap around to its maximum of 15 when we press the A button or the A key. Pressing the A key now, we can see that the maze has gone up to full speed. Test number 80. Test number 80. Does the D button on the solve screen increase the variable speed by 1? We can see that indeed the variable speed shown here is increased by 1, and we can see the effect on the speed at which the maze is being solved. Test number 80 is a success. Test number 81. Does pressing the D key whilst on the solve screen, whilst the variable speed is at its... Does pressing the D key whilst on the generate screen increase the variable speed by 1? Pressing the D key, we can see the variable speed at the top is increasing, and we can see the rate at which the solution is moving is also increasing. Test number 82. Does pressing the D button or key whilst the variable speed is at its maximum value of 15 cause it to wrap around to its minimum value of 0? This is a boundary test. Pressing the D key now, and we can see the variable speed has been set to 0, and we can see the effects of this on the rate at which the maze is being solved. Test number 83. Is the name of the method of maze solving selected displayed on the solve screen? Here we selected random mouse and can see it displayed. Here we've selected breadth first, and we can see it too is displayed here. Here we've selected dead end. You can see that it too is being displayed. And lastly, here we've selected rule follower. And we can see that it too is being displayed. Test number 84 is the current number of iterations the method has gone through displayed on the solve screen. Solving with random mouse. We can see the iterations here. It's going up for each action, increasing the speed a bit, and we can see the iterations progressing more rapidly. Test number 84 is a success. Test number 85 is the current number of iterations reset to 0 each time the solve screen is loaded. Currently iterations is at over 600. And yet here we see it at 1. This is not an error, as the iterations would be set to 0 for a brief moment, but as soon as the solving method begins, it would tick up to 1. Test number 85 is a success. Test number 86, does pressing the pause button on the solve screen cause the maze solving method to pause? Test number 86 is a success. Test number 87, does pressing the pause button a second time on the solve screen cause the maze solving to unpause? Pressing. Test number 87 is a success. Test number 88, whilst maze solving is paused, all other buttons should continue to function normally. First, testing the speed buttons. Note that the speed is currently set to its maximum. We will bring it down to its minimum value. And note that the speed at which the maze is being solved has indeed reflected the changes made whilst it was paused. Pausing once more and pressing the escape button, we can see that the escape button is also functional. Test number 88 is a success. Lastly, test number 89 is the program automatically proceed back to the generated menu screen once the maze has been solved. Solving with a breadth first method, turning up the speed, and indeed we have returned to the generated menu screen, making test number 89 a success. This concludes the 10th testing video.